That's him, right?
I'm on him.
That's him, right?
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
Ready?
Yeah. Just want to make sure that's him. It's gotta be. Yeah, it is. Go ahead. Get another one ready just in case.
You like that?
Thank you very much.
Just got up.
Are you on, John?
Are you on it? Yeah.
Shoot, man.
Go ahead.
Yep.
Yeah, I'll tell you when. Just wait. I'll call you, honey. Okay. Okay. Tom? Go ahead.
Shot on this buck is how far?
260 something.
260 yards right through both shoulders and down he went. So another hunt winner filled out.
That's him, man. Kill him.
He's done. Nice shot. I missed it.
Hunter, did you get it?
Yep, he's still. Where is he?
He's
He's
going
tumbling.
downhill. He's tumbling. Dude, nice shot. You just smoked him. To kill him. Nice.
Right behind the shoulder. He's dead. Nice shot, Ren.
Finally. I'm so sorry.
Nice shot, Renda.
Just stay here.
Here we go, Tom.
I'm
Congratulations. Well, we looked at this buck the first morning, and he's really a really nice buck. We got up here, and here he was at 300 yards, and he is a beautiful, beautiful 4-point. He's got really curled around main beams.
I'm recording. Oh, you got him good. You hit him hard. That's my first mule deer.
400 yards?
400 yards.
Yeah, he's recording.
Yeah, he's on. Yeah, he went down all right.
Good job.
He went down all right.
He's going to take a step. There. Boy, that sure is a beautiful buck. You get these nice deep forks. Look how heavy that mass is. It's just a really nice buck.
deer.
Yeah, mature mule deer buck. Probably 6.5-year-old deer, if I would guess.
Well,
That worked?
Congratulations. Okay, I can move his head just a little bit. Yeah. Yeah. Again.
Well, it's 130 yards. I almost could have shot him with a bow.
Wait. Got him. Down. Go ahead. Give me a...
Dead.
Great.
What a deer!
70.
It's the middle one. Yeah.
300.
Hammered him. Hammered him.
Look at that perfect shot. That's the exit right there. I'm thinking, is it?
Looks like your bullet popping out.
Oh no, there's the exit.
Right in the shoulder.
Right there.
Nice.
I guess he's about, yeah, he'll do.